I extended the video just a little bit for you. What you just witnessed was 3 Jewish people touring the Temple Mount, and wherever they go, they have a guard. And every time they move from point to point, you hear that chanting in the background. And why? There's only one reason. They're Jewish. They're not wanted here. Just wait till the day Yahweh returns. There'll be some screaming then too. It won't be screaming Yahweh, Yahoo, Akbar. I just call them the Yahoos.